Now you're recording. Okay. And then to zoom out and zoom in, you would push the lever up or down. But you can leave it the way it is right now. Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
Do you know who I am?
Bill.
My name is Teacher Mark, and I'm going to read you. That's my name. Yeah, Teacher Mark. I'm going to read you a story. But first, I have a question for you. Outside, is it cloudy or sunny?
Sun.
Ah, so the sun is out, huh?
It's gonna be cool.
When I was driving Graydon on the trailer, I was going too fast, and then all the sand and the leaves on the street just blew up, and the sand got in our eyes.
What caused the leaves to blow, do you think?
The wind.
Oh.
Because of the wind of the bike.
Oh, so the wind was causing the leaves to blow? Oh. What does the sun do? What's the sun for?
It makes it warm. Yeah.
Ah, the sun makes it warm?
And it makes it rain because it gets in the clouds, then it makes the clouds sweaty, then the rain comes down.
Oh. Is the sun out when it's raining?
Oh, pink. Well, with a sun out when it's raining, then the rainbow comes.
That's right. Sometimes the sun and the rain can be out at the same time.
Like the sun peaks.
Like the sun peaks. Okay, you ready for the story? Okay. This story is called The Sun and the Wind.
I thought it was the rain.
Oh, this kind of looked like rain, didn't it? Looked a little bit like rain. The Sun and the Wind by Mark Jacobs.
Yeah, you're Mark.
That's right, that's me. I'm Mark Jacobs. I'm the author of this book, The Sun and the Wind.
You made your own book.
My very own book. Okay, here's how it begins. I am the sun, said the sun, and I am strong. I can make it warm all around the world. I am strong, said the wind, and I am strong. I can make breezes all around the world. Look at the faces on the sun and the wind. How do you think they're feeling?
Happy.
Oh, a little bit happy or a lot happy?
A lot happy.
Wow. What are they so happy about, do you think?
Because they're so happy that the sun gets warm and the wind gets warm.
So the sun is really happy about its warmth. And the wind is really happy because it can make breezes, just like when the wind blew the leaves. Okay, here comes the next page. I am stronger, said the sun. No, I am stronger, said the wind. Oh,
They're
that's
both
right.
the same strong.
You think that they're both equally strong?
Yeah, I think they're both the same strong.
It looks like, are they having an argument about who is stronger?
Yeah.
Oh, let's find out how they'll settle the argument. I have an idea, said the sun. Let's have a contest to see who is stronger. I like that idea, said the wind.
You know those big things that you lift up?
Oh,
They
you mean weights?
Yeah.
Oh, you think maybe if the sun and the wind lift weights, that's one way to find out who the strongest is.
Yeah, until they get up to here.
Yeah, what else could they do? What other contest do you think would be good for the sun and the wind? A running contest, maybe?
Oh, they have exercise. Oh, a fighting
Exercise?
contest.
A fighting contest? What were you going to say?
My muscles are so strong that maybe the girl has had my mom.
So maybe a muscle building contest. Let's see. So the sun said, do you see that man with the hat coming this way? Asked the sun. Yes, I see him, said the wind.
Hey, that's you.
You can't see the book? Do you want to sit?
You know, maybe if
you want to sit over here?
If you tilt it a little bit, it's a little blurry. Yeah, tilt it a little. Yeah.
Is that you?
Is that me? Does he look like me?
Yes.
Oh, some of you said yes. He seems to have the same color hair that I do. But he's not wearing... That's right. But yeah, we do look a little similar, a little bit alike. So the sun said, "The one who takes off his hat will be the winner." "Okay," said the wind, "that sounds fair. I will let you go first." "Actually, why don't you go first?" said the sun. "Oh, thank you," said the wind. "Okay."
The wind's gonna blow it off.
Do you think the wind will blow it off? How many of you think the wind will blow the man's hat off? Raise your hand. Oh,
Not me.
all of you? Oh, okay. Raise your hand if you think the sun will get the hat off first. Oh, so you think the sun? You think the sun? Ah. Shall we
Both of them.
shall we find out? Oh, maybe they'll both take the man's hat off. Let's find out. So the wind blew mightily, trying to take off the man's hat. Once the man felt the wind, however, he held onto his hat tightly. Why do you think the man held onto his hat?
Because he doesn't want it to blow away in the trash.
Oh, that's a
And
good
then
reason.
When it gets in the trash, then the trash truck would come and then it would dump it in the trash truck.
Oh my goodness. I don't think the man wants his hat in the garbage, does he?
No.
So the man held his hat, and once the man felt the wind, he did hold on to his hat. The wind tried again and again, but he could not do it. Not as long as the man held on to his hat. What do you think these lines mean?
The wind.
Ah, okay. Those are like the wind lines. Oh, the wind was tired. So he said to the sun, "Okay, now it's your turn." "Thank you," said the sun.
I said both.
You said both. So the sun began to smile brightly. What do you think these orange and yellow lines mean?
Hot. Hot.
Oh,
And that means he's taking off his hat because he's hot.
you're right. That's right. He is taking off his hat. The wind said, "Well, go ahead. It's your turn." "I know," said the sun. "Well, do something," said the wind. "I am. I'm shining." As soon as the man felt the heat from the sun, he took off his hat, fanned himself with it, and moved on. "I can't believe it. You did it. You got the man to remove his hat. I guess you are stronger than I am." And the wind was sad. Why is the wind sad?
Because he wanted to be stronger.
Oh, he wanted to prove that he was stronger. The sun said, "Well, I am pretty strong. You know what, though? So are you. And you know what else? You and I are both needed. I am needed to give plenty of sunshine and light. And you, wind, you are needed to keep things moving." So the wind cheered up and said, "So the world needs both of us." "Yes, indeed," said the sun. "Friends," offers the sun. "Friends," answered the wind. Okay. You know what I brought? I brought some special things that can be worn. I brought the sun, and I brought
The wind.
the wind. I thought it would be fun if we tell this story again, and this time you can help me.
I want to be the sun.
Okay.
I want to be the sun.
Okay. Guess what I'm gonna do?
I want to be the sun.
I can see that you're all telling me what you want to be. When I show these to you, you get to choose which you want to be. So I'll start on this end. Which do you want to be?
I want to be the sun.
Okay, and you?
Yes.
Sun.
Okay, and you? Which do you want, the sun or the wind? Okay. Do you want to be the sun or the wind? Okay. Do you want to be the sun or the wind?
Sun. And I want the sun.
Okay, does anybody want the wind?
I want the
We
sun.
want the wind.
Okay, you get the wind.
I want sun.
And you want the wind too?
I want sun.
Okay. Okay. Here's the sun.
I think it goes around your neck. You know what? That goes around your neck, I think.
Okay. Now what you do is you put these around your neck, or over your neck rather. Can you put those over your neck?
How do you put it over your neck?
Oh, I'll show
You
you.
already have.
Like this. See? Just like this.
I did it.
See, we can do that.
I did it. You put it on. I
did. Okay, so if you have the sun, you're going to be the sun. If you have the wind, you're going to be the wind. And you know who I'm going to be? I'm going to be
The man with the hat.
the man with the hat. Okay, if you are the sun, stand over here for now, okay? And if you're the wind, stand over here. Okay, so stand up. Okay.
No, you're the wind.
We certainly have a lot more sun than we do wind, don't we? Okay, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna come from that way, and wind, when you see me, I want you to start blowing as hard as you can. Can you do that? Okay. So wait until I come over. Okay, wind. When you see me coming, start blowing really, really hard.
You guys are not the wind.
Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try coming over again. Okay, wind, do your stuff. Oh my gosh. Oh, whew. My goodness. I've never seen wind blow that hard. Oh my gosh. Oh, okay. That was good, wind. Very good. Okay, so now this time I want the sun to stand over here and the wind over there. So switch places. So wind, you go over there. That's right. And sun, you go over here. Okay, now when you see me coming over, I want you to smile really brightly like the sun did. Kind of like that. Kind of like that. Exactly like that.
Like this.
Yeah. Now remember, I want you to smile really, really, really big. Okay?
Like this.
Okay, here I come. Oh my gosh. Look at those big smiles. Oh my gosh, I'm starting to feel heat. Oh, wow. Oh, but remember, remember, you have to let me take the hat off myself. You have to let me take the hat off myself. But you gotta smile brightly. Keep smiling brightly. Okay. Oh. Whew. Oh. You know what? The sun is happy about it, but wind, can you look sad for me? Oh. But you know what? It's okay because sun, what do you need it for? You're needed for what? To give off light and sunshine. And what's the wind for?
For cooling us down.
That's right. Okay. Very good. Good job. Okay, thank you, Teacher Susuda. Okay.
I'm gonna keep these.
You know what you can